Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have my pupil Hannah with me. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're looking at 3 simple easy steps for you to pass your test, and there are 3 key things that you need to do in a driving test. So we're keeping it short and simple. It's about the blind spot checks and the mirror signal action and when they should be used and how. So we're going to be looking at how to pull away safely and how to pull over safely. Yeah, so we're looking at how we're pulling away with the blind spot check would be moving away safely, and then when we're pulling in again it would be the mirrors and signal, and it's the same when you're pulling off, it's the signal. So you got your MSM routine, which is mirror signal maneuver, and including the blind spot check to move away safely, and then when you're coming in to pull up again it would be the mirrors and signal again. So we're just going to look at them simple 3 steps. Yeah, okay, now when you're ready we're going to pull away safely from here. So if you start the engine, good, check your mirrors, and if you're pulling to the right it would be your right blind spot check. Excellent. And then as you pull away, keep an eye out in case anything comes, so things still are coming, you know, cars. So your mirror check there again would be good, like you did there, that was good. We're going to do a couple of turns, then we'll look at stopping and pulling off again. So end of the road, we're going to turn left. So your MS mirror signal routine comes in again. So that's the MS PSL routine, slightly longer version, where you have your position, you check your gear change, check your speed. Is it in the correct gear? And then do your observation, so you're looking. And look at this turn, it's an awkward turn, this one. You have to turn here a bit more, good. So that is the MSPSL, that's the extended version of MSM. That's coming in at all your turns, whereas we're looking at the MSM for pulling in and moving off in the blind spots. Okay, take the next road on the right, please. 2 mirrors, good. Keep up with the routine. It's used everywhere. Take your time. It is very busy around here at this time. There's a bit of a school traffic going on. Good. At the end of the road we're going to be turning right. That's good. Mirror signal now. Perfect. Brake. Good. Checking your positioning is correct. Check your gear change. Good. And then observation. So speed equals gear change, okay, on the MSPSL routine. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to pull up on the left in a safe place. So you're checking your mirrors, signal, and moving in on the left there. Leave yourself enough room to leave again. Okay, let's stop there. Okay, neutral, cancel the signal, and we're going to pull off again now when you can safely. So your mirrors are coming in, signals coming in, and your blind spot coming as you're moving. Good. So you're linking your blind spot to moving is good. Okay, and then as you're building the speed up, your central mirror check for speed check, gear change. After the 2 cars we're going to pull up again on the left. It's a little bit to me, that's it. A little bit slower, narrow gap, and then we're pulling up in a safe and convenient place on the left. Your mirrors coming in, signaling coming in, and we're pulling there, somewhere along here. A little bit closer to me, go to you now. Okay, let's stop there. Excellent. Cancel the signal, secure the car. Good, relax there. Okay, so there you pulled off. You had the mirrors, the right blind spot, and then we parked up safely and we had the left mirrors and signal. So pulling off to the right, you're checking your right blind spot. If you're pulling from the right, when we do the other maneuver, it's your left blind spot. So the blind spot is vital as you're moving away from a parked position, and they categorize that as moving away safely. So these are the main things that they will ask you in your test. They will ask you to pull up with a controlled stop 2 or 3 times, and the blind spot check is key in it. If you're not doing it, they will tick you, and also it could result in a fail. How do you feel about the blind spot checks?
Alright.
Good, and you were good with the mirrors, yeah? The turns you have to keep up with the MSPSL routine. That's the extended version of the signal maneuver. We're going to be doing more work on that, you know, in practice. We're just giving this point for the blind spot moving off safely and pulling up safely. Okay, so we're going to keep practicing that. Okay folks, that's all for now. I hope you liked that video. Hit the like and subscribe, and turn on the notifications for the next videos. Stay tuned for my next video.